Creating a video used to mean one thing: time. Time to film, time to edit, time to fix mistakes. And if you're not a video editor, it's even worse. But what if creating a video was as easy as explaining your idea? This is VideoGen, an AI video creator that turns ideas into complete videos. It writes the script, selects visuals, and builds the video for you, all in minutes. Let's get started. Before we jump in, head over to VideoGen.io so you can follow along. If you're watching this on social media, the link is right in the description. Here are real videos created with VideoGen. No cameras, no editing skills, just clear ideas. Let's create one together. VideoGen starts by asking how you want to build your video. This is called a workflow. If you're new, choose Idea to Video. It's the fastest way to start. Next, describe your video. Think about 3 things. Who is this for? What's the goal? What tone do you want? The clearer your description, the better your video. In about a minute, VideoGen creates an outline. This outline is your storyboard, narration and visuals, scene by scene. Before generating the video, take a moment to review it. This step makes a huge difference. Small edits here save time later. When everything looks good, click Generate Video. VideoGen now turns your outline into a complete video. And it's done. Want to make changes? You're in full control. Swap visuals, edit text, adjust timing, or regenerate any scene, all without complicated timelines or software. When you're happy with your video, click Share. Download it, share it with your team, or post it online. Quick tips for better results. Your first video is about learning. Your second video is where it gets really good. And that's how easy it is to create a video with VideoGen. Sign up at VideoGen.io to try it yourself. And for more quick tutorials, check out our YouTube channel or explore our help docs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.